Welcome back to Fluize. Here's the plan. This is your basic module, Level 1, Lesson 6. Today, numbers and time. You learn English by listening, like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, the key words, then a little story. You hear it again and again every day this week. Repeat out loud, copy my voice, and at the end, the same story in the present and the past. So relax, listen, repeat. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. First, the key words before our story. Listen and feel them. Say them with me, big and happy. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What time is it? You ask the time. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It is. It's 7 o'clock. It's late. Morning, afternoon, night. Good morning, good night. Early and late. Now, it's early. Oh no, I'm late. What time is it now? Great. Now you feel the words. Let's hear them in a little story. Chapter 2, the main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi, welcome back. Big smile. Let's go. Today, numbers and time. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, time. What time is it? The answer, it's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It is. It's 7 o'clock. It's late. It's morning. Morning, afternoon, night. In the morning, Mia drinks coffee. At night, they sleep. For example, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Mia says, "Good morning." It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Tom says, "Time for lunch." It's 10 o'clock at night. Good night. What time is it now? Say it. It's. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. It's morning. It's 7 o'clock. Mia is in bed. Mia is sleeping. Is it morning? Is it 7 o'clock or 10 o'clock? Is Mia working or sleeping? Yes, it's morning, 7 o'clock, and Mia is sleeping. Oh no, a problem. Mia has work at 8 o'clock, and Mia is late. It's almost 8. Is there a problem? Is Mia early or late? Work at 8 or at 10? Yes, Mia is late. She has work at 8 o'clock. Mia jumps up. Mia runs. 1, 2, 3, fast, fast, fast. Then Tom calls. Does Mia run? Who calls Mia, Tom, or Lucy? Yes, Mia runs so fast, and Tom calls her. Tom says, "Mia, it's Saturday. No work today. Saturday." Is it a work day or Saturday? Is there work today? Saturday. No work today. Hooray. Mia laughs. It's Saturday. I'm not late. Now Mia is so happy. She goes back to bed. Is it a work day? Is Mia worried now or happy? No, it's Saturday, and Mia is so happy. She goes back to bed That's the end of the mini story. Listen again and again. Deep learning, deep learning. Last chapter. The same story in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day at 7 o'clock, Mia wakes up for work. She runs. But on Saturday, there's no work. Yesterday at 7 o'clock, Mia woke up and ran. Then Tom called. It was Saturday. Mia laughed. Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.